real one, this a dedication. Had them patiently waiting for a revelation. Even when I ain't around, ain't no separation. Skin smooth, your eyes.
Hey K-Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So this video will be a little different from my first two videos. This video I will demonstrate how I wash my bundles before I install them, which is recommended just so you can have a better install. Now I also will link everything down below, such as where I actually purchased the hair. This is not a sponsored video, so I did go ahead and purchase the hair with my own money. Also, I'll let you know the lengths and the color that I purchased it in. So right now I am just getting my first bundle saturated with water to go ahead and allow it for me to be easy to go ahead and start washing it. Now for products, well, I only use one product, which is the Suave. I forgot what name it is, but you guys will see it in the video. But yes, use the Suave. So right now I'm just combing through. Another reason why I do like to wash the hair before an install is because it allows you to see if your hair is going to shed like a ton. So right now you can see that it is shedding just like by a few strands, which is okay. It's not anything major for me to be concerned about. So I'll just go ahead and continue rinsing that out. So this is what I'm talking about, the Almond and Shea Butter conditioner. Now, the only reason why I just straight up use conditioner is because that's all I had at the moment. I did not have any shampoo, but I'm actually happy that I just did with, conditioner. So yes, what you're going to do is go ahead and start lathering the shampoo on the hair. And I like to work in a downward type of direction. To me, it allows me to not mess up the curl pattern because this is Malaysian body wave, is what they say. But yeah, so go ahead and work that conditioner into the hair. And another reason why I like to wash your hair before you even install it is it allows it to smell good. And who doesn't want hair that smells good? So yes, let's go ahead and keep washing that hair. And make sure you just wash it really good, try to get all up in the bundles, even the wefts, even get those a little wet. So go ahead and rinse your bundles. Now, you do not have to use the same products as me. You do not have to do the same method as me. This is just how I do it, and I just want to come show you guys because after this, I will go ahead and upload a hair review on this hair. So yes. Let's go ahead and rinse the hair out. Now the temperature for the water I'm actually doing is like lukewarm, so it's barely even hot. No method in why I do that, but just I do that. So yes, I'm just making sure all of the conditioner is out of the hair before I go ahead and add more conditioner. And I promise that this video is not just going to be this slow of me showing you guys how I wash the bundles. I just wanted to show you guys in detail how I washed the first bundle, and then you guys can take it from there. Again, like I say, you do not have to use my method, ladies. But yeah, so just keep working that. And then what I like to do, especially since it's body wave, is kind of like once I've rinsed all the conditioner out, is kind of scrunch it back up to its curl pattern. Squeeze all the excess water out. All right, and that's what I mean, like squeezing it back or scrunching it back up. So yes, that is how I washed the first bundle. So
Revelation. Even when I ain't around, ain't no separation. Skin smooth, your eyes brown, and you far from base. Then we go to different places with no suitcase. But when we come back, we got suitcase. Right now, I use love for a medication. Back in the day, I should Cupid with no hesitation. I got more than 40 acres for my reparation. Be in my navigation, that's my destination. Please don't ever tell on me, baby. That mean you don't call 12 on me, baby. As long as the meal prepared for me, baby. The meals I prepare, I share with you, baby. Of course they gon' like it, look at me. Everybody ain't happy, they look happy.
Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home, I got used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Top down on the dime like I'm used to it.
Alright guys, so I actually came back to let you guys know that after I did wash the hair, I did let it air dry overnight. I did not get any pictures of that, so that's why I'm letting you know this right now. So you do not have to take a blow dryer if you don't need to, or if you're not in a rush. But like I said, I did go ahead and let it air dry, so I'll go ahead and get back to the video.
Revelation. Even when I ain't around, ain't no separation. Skin smooth, your eyes brown, and you far from basic. Then we go to different places with no suitcase. But when we come back, we got suitcases. Right now, I use love for a medication. Back in the day, I should Cupid with no hesitation. I got more than 40 acres for my reparation. Being my navigation, that's my destination. Please don't ever tell on me, baby. That mean you don't call 12 on me, baby. As long as the meal prepared for me, baby. The meals I prepare, I share with you, baby. Of course they gon' like it, look at it. Everybody ain't happy, they look happy.
Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Rainy, make it home like I'm used to it. Rainy, make it home, I got used to it. Rainy, make it home like I'm used to it. Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Rainy, make it home, I got used to it. Rainy, make it home like you used to it.
Why don't we ride 4 deep, roll so far, we on beat. But when we come back, we got suitcases. Right now I use love for a medication. Back in the day, I should Cupid with no hesitation. I got more than 40 acres for my reparation. Being my navigation, that's my destination. Please don't ever tell on me, baby. That mean you don't call 12 on me, baby. As long as the meal prepared for me, baby. The meals I prepare, I share with you, baby. Of course they gon' like it, look at it. Everybody ain't happy, they look happy.
Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Rainy, make it home like I'm used to it. Rainy, make it home, I got used to it. Rainy, make it home like I'm used to it. Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Rainy, make it home, I got used to it. Rainy, make it home like you used to it.
Why don't we ride 4 deep, roll so far, we on beat. Even when I ain't around, ain't no separation. Skin smooth, your eyes brown, and you far from basic. Then we go to different places with no suitcase. But when we come back, we got suitcases. Right now I use love for a medication. Back in the day.
Alright guys, so we're on to the third bundle. As I said before, this video is very self-explanatory. I've already gone through and demonstrated how I washed the first 2 bundles. So I'll go ahead and kind of just, you know, allow the video to kind of end right here. So yes guys, if you can just please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would mean a lot and I truly appreciate it. So I can go ahead and come back with more videos. Just, yeah, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and let me know what other videos you'll like to see. Leave me some suggestions, and we'll go from there. So thank you.